Hi everyone, this is Iskang Gala again. Long time no edit of videos and photos. Char. I'm still here in Malaysia. So here is one of the adventures that I did in Malaysia. So I booked a bus or hop on hop off tour bus here in Kuala Lumpur. So there's two routes. So the first route that I took was the city route, and later on I will have a separate video of the garden route. So yan, diba? Ganda-gandahan tayo, char. So you will really see the city side of Kuala Lumpur here. So yan, that's the Bukit Bintang. I miss so much Bukit Bintang. So yan, diba, upo-upo ang ante nyo. So yan, kung makikita nyo ang tataas ng building nila dito, in fairness, and daming puno pa rin sa city nila, diba?
Dito ang stop number 2, Masjid India.
Hang init, in fairness. Charis, ginusto mo yarn.
Of the dwellings are wooden house built on short steel and top. They are in the heart of the city. Many local love to come to Kampung Baru to eat, as there are many food stalls and restaurants that sell cheap local and Malay food, which open until late night. With a 2,500 seating capacity, a high-tech stage and equipment, it represents the ultimate outdoor visual theatre experience. By walking distance, you can reach to National Visual Art Gallery and City Wangsa Lake Garden. We are now arriving our stop number 4, Palace of Culture. Stop number 4.
Di na po ako bumaba dito kasi nakapunta na Mid-Detach. First day ko sa Kuala Lumpur.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Intercontinental Hotel Kuala Lumpur provide a luxury sanctuary in the midst of the city. They offer both convenience and comfort with a strategic location. There is Chorus Hotel where you can get the Aeroline buses, which provide business class coach service for Penang, Johor Bahru and Singapore trips.
So yun, nakaka-amaze lang naman i-touch, diba? Na nagbabas ka tapos ganyan yung view mo. Ganda lang. Super appreciated. Ganun. So yan, di ba makikita mo na yung Petronas Twin Towers. Ang tataas naman ng buildings na ito.
We are arriving our stop number 6, Petronas Twin Towers, KLCC. Stop number 6.
super na-amaze lang ako talaga sa Petronas Tower. So, ang ganda niya. Hi, Beshi Wops, Petronas.
We are now running our stop number 7, Malaysia Tourism Center. Stop number 7.
So, next stop naman natin is sa KL Tower. So, yun, ang taas nga naman. Pero hindi na ako bumaba dyan. Ang init kasi and baka maagawan pa tayo ng pwesto. Ganun. Kasi may mga bumababa din, akyat din. So, from the past buses. So, ayoko nang umalis. Ganun. Hayaan mo nang mainitan. Ganun. So, yun. Napansin ko lang dito sa Malaysia is ang dami nilang murals sa mga walls nila. Pero ang ganda. Actually, very kitty. Ganun.
The city from the tower's observation deck. Within surrounding there is variety of attractions such as mini petting zoo and mini aquarium. World famous events also conduct here such as the KL Tower International Jam Malaysia and KL Tower International Towerton Challenge. A challenge run of KL Towers 2028 Jerusalem.
So, ito na yung last stop before bumalik sa city. Pero, magkakalapit lang actually talaga to. Pwede nyong lakarin kung may patience kayo sa paglalakad. Charis. Siyempre, kung ayaw nyong mag-bus, kumastos ng half on, half off, then you can walk actually just to check on these places. Ang dami nilang places na pwede nyong puntahan. So, yun. And ito, balik tayo sa Bukit Bintang. So, dito ko talaga na-realize sa hop on, hop off kung gaano kalapit sila. Pero, syempre, pag maglalakad ka mga 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Pero, diba, exercise na rin yung paglalakad. And, eto naman, wala. Gusto ko lang talagang mag-hop on, hop off bus. Lalo na pag kulang ka sa time and you will really spend a lot of effort sa paglalakad para lang mapuntan to. Mall pa nga lang, di ba? Matatagalan ka. So, yun. Ang ganda dito sa city center nila. Sa Bukit Bintang. Ang lalaki ng malls nila. Ang daming malls. Magkakalapit pa. So, sulit yung pasyal mo talaga dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Siyempre, last part, yung pagmumukha ko, Charis. Kasi yun, di ba? Background ko na yung Bukit Bintang. So, that's it for the city route of the hop on, hop off bus. Next part na yung garden route.